So the little chicks got a little cold, so we came out. We have them in the garage so we thought it would be warm enough because it was 87 degrees, but they started getting cold. You could tell because they were all huddled in the corner. So Dan hooked up a heat lamp, and now they're all scattered and eating and happy. They're the cutest little things ever. This one's cleaning his little feathers. So cute. So I think we have 2 males and the rest female out of this bunch that we ordered.
I could tell which one was a male already out of these because while all of them were over here huddled, one of them was like Centurion and was over by the water, like standing guard on them. So it was pretty fun.
You're pretty cute, guys. They're really cute. I know. Look at that. Look, they're like, look at that. Their heads are inside of it. They're like, oh my gosh. No, they're not sleeping. You're like, you guys are hungry, huh? Move it down a little bit, that way you guys can get to it. There you go. That's a little easier, huh? There you go. Tilt it to the side and you guys can get it easier, huh? What do you think of that? Now they're like, oh, you moved my food. I don't know how to do it. They still go to the top. It's so funny. It's like, even though you make it easier for them, we got our quail are getting kind of on the big side, so they're gonna have to go up to the next size container soon. And then we have a little bigger. These are a slightly different breed than the little tiny ones, and they're a little bigger. And we got them separate today. They like to stand in their food. Get out of here. Come on. There you go. I'm gonna go poopy in your food, sillies. We're down a feeder, so we had to improvise. So we switched out the bedding for the quail, and we had hay in there before, and now we have pine shavings, and they love the pine shavings. These little babies love it. Say, Mama, I love it because they like to bury themselves. Look at them. Ooh, this is so much fun. Thanks, Mom. I'm sit here and bury myself. I'm digging my shavings. I like the pine shavings, Mom. Look at this one. It's like totally buried himself. Like, yeah. Added a heat lamp to these guys because they were getting a little, and now they're all so excited because they're like, I'm warm, I'm warm. And then these are the opposite. These are little tiny ones, and they're loving their heat lamp. They're all ready for a nap. I mean, look at them. Look at them all snuggling.
Look at the quail. They're going Richter.
They're so cute. I know, they love it. They love the pine shavings.